Hi.
Hey, you're not supposed to look at the camera. Look at all this crap over here.
I got so much crap.
Look at that box I have over here. Empty box over here. We're gonna fill it full of crap. This ain't yours. This is Smeedy's. Tools. This your oil line?
What? No. Ew.
You sure?
Positive. None of that shit is mine.
Look at all this crap laying here.
I think these are the only things that are mine.
You better keep those there. I was gonna put those in my race bike. It was good.
Yeah? It's pretty good, huh?
You broke that one.
Pretty good, right?
That might have to get fixed.
You can fix it? Fucking get a new one. What?
Twin cam. How about this?
How about what? I'll use it.
Pig sticker material.
Son of a bitch.
Not here.
What?
All this crap over here. Looks like race bike parts.
Can't tell the difference, can you? Between sweet, super chopper, awesome parts for Walker.
How about this?
Oh, what's that, a polishing thing?
Tampon for you.
It's not that time of the month for me, though.
Polish your face with it. Towel. Keep the. What's
Hey,
the
check
tools
it
here?
out. It's got a fucking.
How about your tools?
What are those?
Line wrenches.
Cool.
Pretty fancy. You and my crescent.
Use it.
Okay, we're gonna do the rest of this crap.
Huh?
You got crap everywhere. These aren't your lines?
No. Yes.
Throw them in the other pile. We'll put them on the other table. We just go from one table to another table. Walker's getting lost. Think Walker's gonna bring his motor? What we got here? Oh, now that looks like something Walker would have made. Look at that. Oh, that's custom there. Look at that piece of shit. Does anybody know what bike this came off of? It was one of the videos we did this year. Figure it out. Where does it off of? Come on, tell me what that came off of. You're gonna know. If you watch the videos, you'll know. Should I give you a hint or not? It was old. Yeah, I'll give you a hint.
Are you talking to yourself over here?
I was talking about you again.
What's
this?
I don't know.
That's your cable?
No.
All these parts in your bench, you're saying they're not yours.
Yeah.
Ooh, how about that? Big shit. Oh, crapping away. Who's boogie fart?
I think that gas is kind of old.
Good to go. I'd run my bike.
Of course you would.
Run anything on my bike. What's your primary? Look at that. Full bench. Missing that. Hey, nobody's filming. You're off camera for a while. Someone stole my tools.
Yeah, that's cool. Whatever. This should be lined up with the. Well, does it matter?
Does what matter?
Up here.
On what?
I mean, it's not touching the spacer.
What are you talking about?
Right here.
What do we got?
Right here.
It's a finger. What about it?
The space right there. Does that even matter?
Does it matter if there's a spacer?
Yeah. No. Does it matter if there's space right here?
There's a spacer right there. There's an axle right there.
Jesus, man.
You're pushing on the axle right there.
Yeah. No. Does this need to be up in line with this side right here?
No, the axle is what you're looking at.
Yeah. I know that.
This is a
the
pinch
fork.
clamp. This is a pinch clamp, so it pinches on top of the axle.
Yeah. Does it need to be up against that?
No, because
Okay.
this doesn't pull that
That's
way. This
all right.
goes here.
Well then, okay.
It pulls over here though. That has to be all the way against this side.
Yeah.
So is this one here tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Brake engaged? Yep. There you go. So after this is all tightened over there, then you come over and tighten this pinch bolt right here. Now don't push it in or out when you do that. Just tighten it where it is.
Should I really torque this thing down like pretty heavy or what?
Hey, enough. Well, it's your life, so you tell me. How big's the bolt?
What?
How big is the bolt?
Big enough.
Turn it down. Okay, wipe down the bench. Scrap off this bench. Go that direction.
So many little BBs.
There's BBs everywhere. Zip ties. This is zip tie?
Nope.
You think?
That would have been annoying. Wet this guy down.
My foot's kind of slimy over here. That's the spot
Where?
where I'm standing.
Alright. We're taking this thing down?
Yeah, slimy over here. Just clean the bench. See it right. There's marbles over here.
Thought we were gonna put the engine in.
It's almost like somebody's welding over here.
Oh.
Are you welding over here?
Nope.
Okay, pull that strap. Motor goes in from the right, not the left. What you need is shit.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get this thing out of here. Okay, we gotta go from there to there.
Well, you can go from there to there.
Do that way too if you want. You wave a big U-turn.
Yep.
If you use it for room, it'll stay on the back though, if it's heavier.
Okay, well then here. Got the back.
Let's back up a little bit. All right, peel off. Look at that.
Yeah.
There you go. See over there, get the back end over.
Sweet. Look at that shit.
Slide over a couple inches that way. There you go. Okay, wipe the frame off.
Okay.
Then rack off, the old grid off.
Alright.
So what's the ditchy on there? Lots and lots of grit.
True.
I don't know your hardware.
I think it's at the back. All my shit. The fun part. Fucking sharp edges, gotta cut those things off. Oh. Thanks. Here comes Scooby.
Why is the bike in here backwards? I can't put it in this way.
Motherfucker.
It might be in the way a little bit.
Hey, buddy.
Scooby's here.
How you doing?
Scooby came to help.
Yeah.
Grab hold of on this side.
You want me to get on the other side?
Shit. Stan.
Oh yeah.
You doing, Scooby?
Over.
How you doing, Scooby? Scooby come to help. Scooby came to help. Scooby's helping. There's Scooby dog. He's helping.
This is gonna be bad.
Did you wake up, Scooby? Scooby woke up. Scooby woke up. Scooby's gonna help.
Hell yeah, yes.
He's helping. Look at that. Scooby's helping. Scooby's helping. Boy. You got your instant turd going already?
Yep. Try to keep the people informed.
Where's your winter mount bolts?
Oh, they're in my bag of goodies.
Where's your bag of goodies?
Bag of goodies.
Okay, so when you drop the motor on a bike, you want to get the rear motor mount up into the motor mount bracket, which means you have to drop the cases in between the frame rails up under here and up over here, and it lays on top of that one over there if you look at it. See how it goes? So if you just kind of lay it in there like that, it kind of sets where you want it to be. That's how you get them in there easy.
There we go.
You know, it's a lot easier putting them in without the top end on here because it's lighter.
Yep.
Extra 50 pounds more, it's already heavy enough. You already got 120 pounds there probably. Later on I'll put that back on it. That's why I left this off, because that would have gotten away. Thinking ahead, see? Alright. Scooby's helping. Look at that dog. Alright, be back in a minute. Walker's over there hunting for parts somewhere over there.
I found him. Hey, Scoobies. Where's the rat? Go get it. Go get it. Go on. Go get it. Go get it.
You got Scooby.
Alright, so we think that that's my stuff in there under this tower of garbage. Oh, Scooby's back. That's cool. Can I have it?
That's $10 on eBay.
$10.
$5 on Chopper's fucker. You got one of those?
I don't know what it does.
It's a fender trim for an FL. You know anything? Must be Fred's crap.
Fred? I saw him the other day.
This looks like your chain guard.
Nope. I told you I don't have one.
Looks like your chain guard. Could be.
I'll sell it. $15.
Jeez, the grease costs $15.
Scoobies. Hey, buddy. The best part of the video right there is the dog.
Dog.
The dog. Hey, Scoobies. Like and subscribe if you want more Scooby.
Yeah, right. There's something in this box.
I don't think any of it's mine.
Set of cases for 40. It matches that frame over there. You want a bike? Do it yourself, kit. Frame and case.
Basket case. There you go. Yeah, that looks like my shit.
Yeah, that's my airline.
Oh, there you go.
There's my race bike frame I didn't make. Need a ring?
Nope.
Start a big twin project.
No, I'm good.
Fred's fender.
$1,400 cash
Where?
for the fender.
Is that the price on it?
Yep.
Jeez. Fred's got expensive shit. Okay, here's a chrome cam cover, primary cover.
Oh yeah, those aren't mine then.
I'm thinking this might not be your stuff. Whose stuff is this? I don't know.
Yeah, it's definitely not mine.
Chromium.
I like the old chrome.
Wonder whose job that was for. That might be one of my projects. If it's not marked, it's mine, right?
Yep.
Oh, I just broke something over there.
All those frames.
There you go. You wanted that.
Tripod. Hey, buddy.
There's something you'd always use.
Running accessories off the Jenny.
Alright, I'm not seeing what your stuff is over here. I've seen airline though. There's a bunch of airlines in here. All these airlines.
It's not in there.
I can use those.
Get him.
You don't want those.
No,
Here's 4 tubes.
not mine.
Extra shit. It's a Beal motor in there.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Cool. None of that. That's custom.
Can't have it though.
Here,
What's that?
flashlight. Maybe it'll help.
Can't compare. Scooby's happy.
Scooby's stoked.
Okay, where's your next box of crap to look at? Because that wasn't the right one.
I don't know. I would assume probably over here.
That's Spanish shit there. I know for a fact that's Spanish stuff.
Well, I remember I had a bunch of stuff over here for a while. Oh, Scoops.
What about the tower or Fred part?
It might be in there.
Some 4 controls. You want those?
No, I'm good.
You don't like those?
Nah.
Alright. I'm thinking they're not right in this spot. Sure you don't want your fender?
I'm good. Oh, Scoops. Oh, Scoops. Scooby Doobies. I don't think it's over there. I don't think it's over here.
Chain guards in the way.
Oh. Custom chrome.
Where?
Up there.
The gas tanks. About paying an oil tank. Too light for your junk.
Yeah. No, I think mine was in like a postal box.
missing?
I think it's behind this shit right here.
What shit?
I think it's behind all that.
Pinion wheels?
No, I don't need wheels, but...
Those are Indian wheels. You want them? Those are real Indian, not that modern crap.
What size is this one?
Those are 16s.
Huh?
Or you one with a tire on it. One of the tires is a Sportster wheel, K model. It'll be Sportster, 64 sporty motor wheel.
It's
Early,
19, right?
early 64. Yeah, it's 19.
Big boy.
You know what's early 64? Because it has the early rim with the late drum.
Cool.
They did that for 6 months.
They only did that for 6 months?
Yep.
Jeez.
That combo. There's chain guard here. See, you don't want chain guard?
Yes.
You want to be safe?
No. Well, I'd have a chain guard and one front, a run, one brake.
One brake?
One brake.
We got some brakes around here. I don't think your stuff was in a box like this.
Nope, it wasn't.
I'm thinking this is a trash box. So I got junk in here.
Pretty sure it's behind there.
How about this big box of crap up here? It says Dakota wheel. Guessing that's not yours.
Nope.
Any gas tanks?
Nope. Well, we'll continue the search.
You gotta clean that.
Yeah.
All right, we found the parts. Walker wants some new chrome motor mounts.
You know what? I can just use this. I'll just beat all this off and get it polished.
You need to take some bubble gum off. That's actually gonna come off real easy because see, it's not even welded. It's only welded right there.
What is it? Looks like it was... There's an old bit of a wrench.
They had something on there they welded on.
Look, it's a crescent. Like a...
I don't know what it is.
It's a wrench.
Yeah, whatever, it'll come off.
That's awesome.
We'll be happy. Alright, so we found his motor mount bolts. There's all this other crap. Here's the missing box. It was buried over here in my panhead stuff. Buried down there. Kept it nearby. Exhaust
we need to
pipes.
change this out.
Why?
It's too big.
That's where your ground wire goes, usually.
Oh, yeah.
For you. Alright, so tomorrow you can work on the motor mounts, get the motor melted in there a little bit. I gotta work on other guys' stuff. And you get all this other stuff figured out, get your oil lines figured out, get that tank, whatever you're gonna do to the tank, get it done. And then get your battery box going. Get a charger on that battery and see if it's even gonna hold a charge.
Yeah.
So we'll get that part done. The front end's back together now.
Yep. We
Okay.
just gotta do the bolts.
Oh, you don't have a pinch bolt. You got the headlight mount and all that. So
Yeah.
You can play around with that stuff. So you can get that part done. We'll have to play around with the bolts a little bit if you go with these other two mounts. Yeah, so you just grind that turd off and so this is the side you're gonna look at. So it'll be fine. It'll do what you want to do with it. I gotta get your exhaust pipes blasted and
Yeah, just
blow the wire
cylinders, heads,
yeah, that'll be
and exhaust all blasted at the same time.
yeah, that'll be in a week or so before we get to that part. All right, so we got that part handled. So anyway, it looks like you did something, but the motor's just laying there.
Yeah. Looks good. It's
All right,
almost there.
that's it for on this one.
Fuck yeah.